A family of about 25 elephants. Unable to go back to the forest when the sun comes up, he hides in the small patch of forest behind my house. Do you like to go and observe their behavior? Good, but it is a very dangerous journey. Never mind, let's be careful. Stay with me. One more request. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Did you see? The elephant family of about 25 is resting wonderfully. But, at last I was caught by one of the young elephants on their watch. They immediately left the place like this. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos like this.